Example number 5. A theater seats 2,000 people. And it charges $10 per ticket. We have price and we have sales. If each ticket is $10, they will be able to sell 2,000 tickets. At this price, all the tickets will be sold. And that means once you multiply these two together, that will be your revenue. In this case, your revenue will end up being 20,000. So you multiply 10 by 2,000. A recent survey indicates that for every $1 increase in price, the number of tickets sold would decrease by 100. The higher the price, the less people, the fewer the people that they will go watch a movie in the theater. If the price go up by $1 again, it is going to drop by another 100. This many times, it is going to drop by that many times. So now your revenue will be x 2,000 minus 100. Once you expand that, you will end up with a trinomial, a quadratic equation that you are familiar with. Formula using first outside, inside, and last. Even rearrange the term for now. Do not take out the GCF. Do not divide everything by 100. You don't know what you are getting on one side of the equation yet. But this is the quadratic equation for now. Algebraically, determine the ticket price that will result in a revenue of at least 15,000. We know from the first place that this is going to give us 20,000. If you were to multiply the price and the sales together, it will give us 20,000. You are going to make at least 15,000 already. Now, if we want to keep this one at least 15,000, I will end up with an inequality of this. I want my revenue to be bigger than or equal to this. What would x be? Solve for x. We have a quadratic. Group the like terms together. Bring it back to the left hand side. Negative 100x squared plus 1000x plus 5000 here. I want this to be bigger than 0. Where would it be? These numbers are big. I won't try it with graphing. Graphing will be too much. It would take us quite some time to figure out the window. And I won't bother to try it with factoring. I'll simply go with the quadratic formula. I'll use the quadratic formula to figure out the root of this quadratic. We will end up with two numbers using the quadratic formula. And these two numbers will end up on your number line. And you will then test the point on your number line to see which of the free region will give us the solution. And you answer the question based on the x value. Here on my calculator, I'll be using the quadratic formula to solve this equation. We have negative 1000 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. I will have this whole thing all together divided by 2 times a. Divided by 2 times a. This is one answer. Negative 3.66. I need to use the quadratic formula at the end with minus here. So I will go negative 1000 again, minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. B squared minus 4 times a times c. And I will divide this by 2a again. Let me do it one at a time. Divided by 2 times a. This time we end with 13.66. These are the two numbers that will go to the number line. And very nice, we can use this number again. I can try x equals 0 and see if it is going to give us something bigger than 0 at the end. Put this number into your inequality. It could be this inequality or that inequality. The second one basically was just the simplified version of your first one. Either one would still give us the same conclusion. So making use of 0 for x, 0 for x, 0 for x, add 5000 to it, definitely bigger than 0. This is correct. And that means I can adjust the price. I can go lower, I can drop the price by $3.66. I can raise the price by $13.66. Starting with $10 at the beginning, I can drop the price and we will now be selling the ticket at $6.34. You will end up getting full house. People will still come and watch it. Your theater will be either with people, a lot of people, 2,000, or ticket will be sold. Or if you decide not to bring in too many people, you can raise the price all the way to this, $23.66. You are going to get less people to come into your theater and watch movie in your theater. But there are some reasons why you want to do this. You raise your price, the chairs in your theater will be less worn out, and you'll be able to earn at least $15,000, and you prolong the life of the seats, the chairs in your theater. Or you can just keep your theater full house all the time, sell it really cheap. You have full house every day, but at the end you need to replace the chairs more often. These are the kinds of things that you would do when you are running a business. You can raise your price, maintain the chairs by, well, keep them longer by charging them more expensive tickets. Okay? So this is the place where you see quadratic inequality useful in real life. Of course, in reality, if you are running a movie theater, you probably won't set up an equation for that. You will leave it to your, you will leave it to some other company to run these analysis for you, and they will give you the recommendation. As a manager, you probably will outsource it to other company to run these numbers for you.